Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen error while streaming Netflix with Discord. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're using Netflix on your web browser, then simply open up your web browser and type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. Then just proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Now from your web browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings tab, click on the search box and type in Hardware. Then from the Systems tab, make sure that the Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned off. Once you turn it off, you can click on the Relaunch button to restart your Google Chrome application. Then once you restart, you can open netflix.com once again and the browser part has been solved. You will now need to open up your Discord application and then log into your Discord account. Then from the bottom right corner, simply click on User Settings and then from the Settings page, click on Advanced from the left menu pane. Then make sure that the hardware acceleration is turned off in this as well, and then this will restart the Discord application. Now after you do both of these, try streaming your Netflix application using Discord and this should work just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix black screen error on the Netflix application with Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.